What's up guys? So this is my first fishing vlog or fishing related vlog. So I will be unboxing the Sabiki Rattler I ordered from Davao. Unboxing or unwrapping. So I've already turned it apart. Here's the container. I haven't opened the container yet. So as you can see, it is rattling. Wow. Shout out from Kuya Buboy from Davao Anglers Club. Okay. Wow. I'm in the office right now, but it's our break time. Wow. So Kuya Buboy has 3 sizes in his Rattler Sabiki. This one is for ultralight. This one is for light, and the bigger one is for medium fishing rods. So I will be using this ultralight. The many questions I had is how many hooks? We will count. Oh, there's only 2 hooks. I thought there would be 3. So 2 hooks only. I will try to unwrap. Okay. Okay, so it's about 1.5 foot maybe, and then here's the second hook, and this part is where I connect my main line or snap swivel. So Kuya Buboy said this is good for trevallis, mamsa. You will cast this in the sea and you will rattle, give it twitch, and then the fish will hear this and then will see this, and hopefully they will attack and bite. So that would be my first fishing related vlog. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Fish on.